Here comes.
Okay.
Here comes my second wife.
So guys,
So-
hello. I have a prescription.
Good morning.
I have a prescription from my OB to diet and go walking every day. So we're going to walk today. We just walk over here in the mountain. Then while walking, we will do a yakking, a chit chat. A chit chat. I think that's on the other side. We are going for a walk. So let me show you our garden first, guys. I hope the dogs of the neighbor is not outside. Oh, ito. Di okay lang yan maggalaw-galaw. Wag mo lang masyadong galawin. Kasi automatic stabilizer naman yan. So, I supposed to start the walk 2 days ago. But I'm very lazy. Ito oh. Kain naman. So we go here. Okay lang naman kahit magalaw yan, mag-stabilize yan. So we go here first on the top of the mountain. Not top, but mom's place. Ayan, napagod na nga ako. Kapag lakad pa lang.
Short walking, pagod ka agad.
So this is the foot road that we built at Ian. From to down. We will show it later. But I'd like to walk up. Kasi madali lang naman yung pababa. Diba? So,
May daanan pa ba yan hanggang doon?
andyan sa taas. Ay, dun pala sa atin yun.
Deliver siguro ng ano yun.
Ng kids. Ay, I thought the motorcycle will climb up, guys. This is my mom's beautiful home. A native one. Hey, Elsa, ha? Do not touch the puppy. Hello, puppy. Ay, ang cute ng mga anak niya. Ay. Hello. Elsa, no. Tampok pala sila, Day. Ang cute. Atut. Oh, sino nang may-ari nito? Ha? Ha? Kamura. Naku, magdami na naman yung aso nyo. Cute na to. What's your name? It's a boy? Ay, it's a girl.
Ay,
My
dili
God.
lagi pwede mo saka kay hunggang buktiin.
My
Gara
God.
kagawas.
You're a baby girl. So the mom of this puppy, guys, is also the mom of mom. Sa'yo pangalan eh?
Si Jalay.
Jelay! Hi, Jelay! You're so cute, Jelay.
Pakapi nga. Pakapi.
Go home na.
Wala nang kape.
It's only joking.
Ay, dito tayo po. Hi, Lexi!
Di nga rin lagi rin lagi.
Hi, Cooper! Yun yung kapatid ni Trump.
No.
Cooper! Handok. They're afraid to come to me because Elsa and Rusty will be jealous. Cute nila. Bayi din yung isa?
Puro ni Baye.
Also girl? Oh my goodness.
Dadami pa yan.
Do a surgery.
Di lagi pwede mo saka hunggang buktiin.
So, this is up the foot road. Like I said, guys, the owner of this property doesn't allow me to build. This is a part of my project, and the length of this foot road supposedly up to there because we still have a house there. Not ours, but my grandparents' houses. They have three houses over there. But we stop over here because he doesn't allow us to go. Hi, Jala! So we go this way. Up. Hi! Tingnan mo si Trump. Trump is wandering around. This is your first time, Trump? Huh? We go up. So this is my playground, guys, when we were kids. Camera woman ko. This is our playground. When we were... Ay! Ayan pala. Hala, dyan pala kumuha si ano.
Suha.
Ng ano.
Wow, ang daming bunga.
Day! May sungkit ka dyan? So Dion, I think Dion got the pomelo from here. Oh my God, it tastes good, but I don't know if this one or that one. I love this one, guys.
Eh, may hinog na oh.
Oo nga. This is my uncle, this is my grandfather's sister's property. Ayan. Matamis kaya yan siya. Hindi ko alam kung saan siya kumuha, te. Dito ba o dyan?
Mas marami itong isa eh.
Ha?
Mas maraming bunga itong isa.
Baka itong ano na. Kasi yung kinuha niya, hilaw naman yun eh. Ay, green. Pero hinog na. Kuha tayo nito isa.
Sa'yo ba yan?
Ha?
Sa'yo ba yan?
Hindi.
Oh. Eh, ba't ka mangunguha? Dapat tayo nasa taas oh, hinog na.
Saan?
Ayun oh. Walang panungkit.
Iba yung puno niya, te. Doon yan sa kabila.
Ayan din oh, sa taas niya no. Dalawa.
Ito na lang muna kasi ito yung na ano natin eh.
Eh baka hilaw pa yan.
Yung kinuha naman niya, hindi ano, hindi, yung kinuha niya, hindi hinog, green pa rin. Pero matamis na, tsaka kulay pink.
Ah, maganda yan, Davao.
Matamis na. So let's go. Let's go on with our walk, guys.
Pag may nadaan na ano, mamitas.
Oo. Ayun pa, oh, ang dami pala nila.
Ayan ang maganda oh, kay mga hinog na.
Hindi nila hina-harvest.
Oo, dapat binibenta sa bayan yan.
Wala na kasi yung mga lolo't lola eh. Sila yung,
Ayan din oh, yung kakao.
oo,
Ginagawang tabliya yan. Sinasayang lang ngayon.
yeah.
Wala na nag-harvest.
Walang bunga yung nyug nila.
Kaninong bahay yan?
My grandfather's sister.
Mm.
Yes, the owner of this property, guys, from the back of my pig pen, if you can imagine, up to there, Ate Ian, up to there. This is like 10 hectares property, and divided by into the siblings of my great grandparents. So the owner of this property are just my grandfather's siblings. So yeah, I can get fruit whatever I want. Plus they're not here. They have a lot of fun. Stop over here, they have lots of fruit. And all my grandparents are, all the older people here had already died. Hoy, where did the dogs go? Trump!
Umuwi na siguro.
Ah? Uy, magkaaway na nala.
Yung aso ng kapitbahay mo.
Magkaaway na. Mag-away yan sila pag So here we have 3 old houses.
It's a long video.
Yeah. That's okay. We can edit some. Hala, nandito lang pala sila. The 3 dogs.
Dito na pala sila sa ibabaw.
Hi!
Nauna na. Nauna na.
Trump! Hala, may aso dun. Trump! We're not going home yet. Oh, he's very happy. This is his very first time to walk around in the jungle. That's why he's happy. This is the house of another sister of my grandpa. Hala, that I used to watch out and care for like a year. Oh, that's a lot. Look, Ate Ian.
Sa sobrang bigat, humapay na siya, oh.
Oh,
Ang dami, Rose.
yeah.
Dito pala ang marami. Oh my God. So many.
I don't know if they were harvesting. We have to get one as well, so we will try. So this is their season.
Oo, kasi ngayon, December.
Yeah. Ah, we will get this one, Ate Ian.
Yan noon, yan ang dami, oh.
Hala, the house is already gone.
Kitay ng panungkit. Ito, oh.
Huh? No, this one. Ha? Ito na yan. Abot ko naman ito, te. Dito, i-ano mo yung video para maano tayo, mayroon tayong ebidensya na nagnakaw tayo. Sarap. Ang dami, ba't di hinarvest nila? Sabi ko, ay! Labang upuan ko.
Ka naman, matumba ka naman. Ako ang gagawa ng panungkit.
Ha? Ay, ito, mas matibay yata.
Wala naman pang sungkit.
Isa lang, te. Kailangan lang natin ng isa.
Ayun, oh, yung malaki.
Matibay kaya ito. Hindi ito madaling na ano. My grandma will wake up. Rosemary! What are you doing there? Ay, maghanap nga tayo dito ng ano, panungkit. Hala? I didn't know it's already broken.
Kaninong bahay yan?
Sa lola din namin. Kapatid ng lolo ko nga.
Ba't pinabayaan na ng mga anak?
Kasi talagang bubungkalin na nila at it takes a lot more money to repair. Kaya look, that's her bed over there. I think he get some of the stuff from here and then he built a new one. That's a new house over there. This is like over 100 years old house. Look, there's a lot of kuat. Let's see. Wala naman siyang panungkit. Kaya na ka to. Abot na kaya to, eh.
Baka sungkit man niya, wala man pansungkit sa dulo.
Merong maliit. Itong malaki. Ano? Hindi natin aanuhin yung dalawa kasi maliit pa. Saan ba yung ano mo? Ay? Kung bayutan natin, te, para umano. Dapat may ano, may upuan.
Yun sana, mas malaki yun, oh.
Alin? Hindi naman natin abot nga.
Ako nga,
Ganyanin mo nga, te.
ako nga, oh.
Hawakan mo nga ito. Ito ba? Iganyan mo. Iganyan mo ng ano.
Ilahin ko.
O ilahin mo. Kung bayutan mo ba. Naabot naman natin. O, diba?
Mm.
Ayan. Ito yung kukunin natin. Hoy! Ito yung malaki. Sana kulay pink.
Ayan pa isa oh.
Thank you. Enough na. Balik kasi, we don't know if this one is kuan.
Hinog na.
Is sweet. Look at them, ate Ian. I-video mo nga, gaano karami how.
Kaya
That's
nga
a lot. Oh,
Wow.
kaya malamig dito sa lugar niya. Madaming puno eh.
Wow.
Thank you, Lola. Magawa nga ako ng ano.
Dami. Oh, ang
Yeah,
mahal
there's a
nito
lot.
kay magdi-December.
What's the English name of this? I think pomelo.
Pomelo.
Pomelo?
Yeah,
Look at
pomelo.
that. So the season of this one is December.
Yeah,
So we
kasi
will
ano
try this
ngayon?
Ha?
Ito ang mabili ngayon kasi nga New Year,
Ah.
December.
Yeah.
Kaya mahal yan, mahal. 100 plus ang ano niyan sa Maynila. Oh my God. So, berry, fruits.
Many,
Pomelo.
many. Yeah. Ano natin, i-post natin. Para maggawa ako ng video Oo.
Daming tanlad.
Let's go home, guys. Trump. Let's go home. Elsa and Rusty, let's go home. Let's go home na. Go. See, my guardians, guys. They're never far from mommy. Careful, te. Ayan. Let's go home. Just a short walk. Hindi naman ako pinagpawisan. Mamaya walk tayo ulit pababa. Manood tayo ng volleyball. Tapos lakad lang tayo pa uwi. Yan. Oh God. That's a very nice. You know what I like more?
Ano pala yung dagat, tiyo?
Oo, lapit lang. We are only 10-15 minutes from the ocean. If we will ride 5 to 10 minutes, we're already there. You know why I like living here, guys? It's very peaceful. Just
Dami pala
Don't-
ditong ano ng nyug. Dito pala ako aakyat para gawa ng walis tingting.
hindi magkukuha ka ng yung buhay yung kukunin mo.
So, pwede na yan tuyo.
Ay, pwede ba yan?
Oo. Basta hindi putol-putol. Pwede yan.
It's very peaceful over here, guys. You just don't mind the dogs. Because dogs and chickens are part of a mountain life. You know. That's our electric post.
Dandahan ka dyan.
So, when I started living here and started developing, I'm also the one that had the connection to have the power, because before we only have extension wire. That one, yeah. But then when I was here, I requested for an electrical post like that. So we have like 20 posts up to the bottom of the hill. Maybe not 20, but maybe 10, I think. I had a friend from the electric company, and I told him we needed a post because the extension wire from down could not supply our households over here. Isn't it nice? I hope they are trying to sell this one, but they cannot come up with a negotiation with the price because no one is living here, guys. Most of the kids of my the sister of my grandpa, those are two sisters over there, those two houses. Their grandkids and kids are not here in the province. They're in Manila. And some also are living along the shore or by the beach. They don't like it here. So it would be nice if they will just sell this property. You know. Then we can build a nice farm. Those old coconuts, that one that's not bearing fruits, they should be taken down. There's no way for them to bear fruits anymore. Other than like if you apply fertilizers, but it's not good. So This can be a very good farm. So we are back. We are going back home with 3 look, 3 wonderful fruits. Look at that. So we're gonna taste this one first. Or we can open both and we can just put in the fridge. So that's a short walk for today. Jelly!
Mountain and make fruit.
Stealing fruits.
Feeling fruit.
Elsa ha, do not touch the puppy, Elsa. Hindi naman niya inaano te. No. No. No, let's no. Hoy! Elsa is so... Let's go na because
Very bad, Elsa.
they will not go home. Come here, Elsa.
Baba
Elsa!
ka na kayo para sumunod.
Kaya nga,
Elsa!
yan nga yung lagi kong ginagawa.
Elsa!
Umaalis ako.
Elsa!
Bye-bye.
Elsa!
Di naman niya kinakagat yan. Na ano niya lang. Lambaha ganina, day.
Masyado ka. Napilay daw. Napilay na yung papi niya.
Hindi yan.
Pasaway talaga si Elsa eh.
Trump! Mga ano tong mga ano ko eh.
Ito pala may gagawin ako ditong ano.
Ano?
Pantukod yung sampayan ko doon sa taas.
Dito na tayo dadaan, ti. Shortcut tayo.
Finish
Look.
walking. Pero hindi ko nagpawisan.
I have my avocado over here. Ano lang to, te? 2 years old lang.
Malapit na yan magbunga.
Yeah, my 2 years old avocado. One of my favorite fruit. Hopefully, it will give fruits. Ah, look at that. Ang aking banda, talagang namulaklak pala sila ngayon. Kasi. We're home! We're home. And just a short. Look what we got. Charan!
I heard you got a dog fight.
Yeah, the fruit. Look. The fruit that Dion got me.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Where'd you get it?
So, there. Up. So, we will see.
Up the
We
hill?
will check this one. So, let's try this one first.
Uy, ang sinaing. Itong
Diba? Di mo pala pinatay yung kanina? I don't know if this one is the one that Dion got for me.
You're about to find out.
If this is the pink one. No?
I can smell it.
Oh, this is not the pink one, Ate Ian. So that's not sweet. So let's try this one. This is not sweet.
Might still be good.
I don't know. Ah, I think this one is pink.
yeah, pink.
Doon ka sa kabila, ti. Dito.
Bango.
Oh, yan.
Ay, kung pinsunugatan mo naman.
Okay lang.
Ay, ano, yun pala yung ano, kulay pink.
Ha?
Yung puno na isa.
Yung malaki nga. What, han?
I was wondering if that rice got shut off.
Yeah, we're supposed to turn that off before we leave. Oh, uy, very ready na siya.
Hindi, okay lang naman, oh.
Hindi kagaya ng nakuha ni Dion. Tanungin ko nga si Dion kung saan niya kinuha yun.
A lot of
Look.
work peeling one of those, huh?
Ha?
A lot of work peeling one of those.
Yeah. Yan, very easy. See? It's not that pink, but we'll try. The only thing we find out if this is sweet. Eh? It's sweet, but not as sweet as what Dion got for me. So we'll see.
Saan niya kaya kinuha yun?
Tanongin ko nga siya mamaya. Tama natin. Okay guys, I will enjoy this one and Ate Ian will cook breakfast. Patayin mo natin, lagay
So
mo.
Bill